Hola, hola, welcome back. So today I have lipstick in my teeth. OMG, I'm about to do a video with lipstick in my teeth. Anyways, so I did say in the past videos, my fashion videos, that I was gonna start putting up little fashion videos here and there every time I bought something, because I feel like you guys really appreciate these little fashion videos. So today I have a fashion video, and it's from a little haul from Fashion Nova. Nothing too big. I just bought 3 fall jackets. Actually went to buy 1 and I overdid it and bought 3 because it was like a freaking big sale. So you know, you know me, I guess just get carried away when there's good sales. So Lord help me, I'm always spending money that I don't have. Anyways, if you want to see this little fashion haul of 3 jackets, then please keep watching. Okay, the reason for this video is because I wanted to get a new leather jacket. I had one that I've had already now for like 4 or 5 years, something like that. My sister actually gifted me that jacket because it didn't fit her anyways. So a little meaningful just because my sister gave it to me, and you know, I don't really get things like that from people. I noticed that it was like getting damaged and stuff, and I went out to the movies with my hubby and it was so embarrassing. Like literally I had like flequitos like all over here on the shoulder, and I'm like, this is supposed to be a date night and I'm here walking around with a freaking messed up jacket. So I decided to look around, and everywhere these freaking leather jackets are like $45–50. I'm like, why? And I came across Fashion Nova having a jacket sale, thank the Lord, and I got, you know, 3 jackets that were reasonable. And I like, you know, to wear different things and different jackets. I don't like to wear like the same thing, you know. I like to have at least 3 jackets, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I don't know, because I got so many jackets. I'm lying to you when I say 1, 2, 3. So you know, I'm a little cuckoo. So I got 3 jackets, but I gotta say one of them I wish I would have returned, but for fashion photos I think it's okay. You won't see me wearing this like out, you know, because I'm gonna freeze my ass with this, but it's okay for fashion posts. I'll probably have a fashion post on Instagram soon with it because it's cute. So I got 3 jackets, and the first one is the rider or biker jacket. It's regular black, so let me pull her up. So she looks like this. I might record myself wearing them. I don't have the space. I wish I did, so that I can record myself wearing them. And yeah, I don't have anyone to record me right now, so it's like kind of hard for me to put things on camera. That's why I regularly don't do it, and I just show them. But this is the jacket, and it's a plain, you know, regular rider biker jacket. And I got it in a size small, and this is by Ashley Outerwear. I don't know, it's I guess one of the brands from Fashion Nova sellers, I don't know. So I really like that the arms are lengthy, because I feel like some jackets sometimes like cut off, and I'm like, hello, I still have a whole hand that I need to cover when it's cold. Sleeves are very lengthy, and I appreciate that. So on the sleeves we have a zipper, and I also appreciate that because, you know, you can let your arms breathe a little bit if it gets too hot. So it's basically a regular jacket. We have a pocket here, and we have a belt buckle. I honestly thought it was a bit longer. I like my jackets to be long. I don't really like those short jackets. This is kind of that short jacket. It's not a long jacket like my old one that I had. I guess it's because it was a large, the old one, and this is a small. Maybe if I would have gotten a medium or large, maybe it would have been a little bit longer on me. So I decided to get a small, and I just, sometimes I don't think so. Yeah, I got a small. But all in all, I really appreciate this jacket. I love the material. It's like a thick pleather jacket, My old jacket wasn't as thick as this one, so I'm really appreciating the texture. It's fashionable. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, however you want to wear it. You want to wear it to the corner store, you can wear it to the corner store because you don't look too overdressed. But you can also overdress it. You could wear it with a nice scarf, or you could wear it with some nice boots, some nice killer boots with some nice jeans. Girl, you could rock this. I think this is a staple jacket you need in your closet for fall jackets, winter jackets, no matter where you live. You need a leather jacket, and I think a jean jacket is like the top two staples in your closet that you need of jackets worldwide, even if it doesn't get too cold wherever you live. So I just had to get a new one because the other one was so embarrassing. Y Dios mío, I don't know why I was walking around with that jacket. I just felt like I needed to keep it because it was for my sister. But yeah, I threw it out. So yeah, I got a new jacket and I'm really appreciating it. I've already worn it and it's warm actually, you know, for it being like not lengthy down to my booty and just being around the tummy area. It is pretty warm. So with a scarf, I think I could wear this, like, if it gets down to the 40s, I can still wear it. 30s, nope, you don't wear this in the 30s. Yeah, so that's the first one, and the one that I was supposed to only get was that one, and the purpose of this video. Pero, you know me, and I just can't control myself, and also the price of that one I forgot to mention. I almost rambling, and I forgot the points of this. I got that one for $20 on the Fashion Nova jacket sale. I could not believe that. A leather jacket or pleather jacket for $20 because everywhere else I went on Shein, I went on Romwe, I went on Forever 21, I went on almost all these fashion sites, Pretty Little Thing. I even went on the e-bloggers site that I spoke about before and they didn't have anything. So I was like, oh my god, my last resort is Fashion Nova, and I found it, and for $20 on sale. So I was really happy about that. And also I want to say that I have shopped from Fashion Nova in the past, only jeans though. I think Fashion Nova is a little on the expensive side for me, just personally. I don't think they have like, you know, good sales like that. I mean, I found this sale, hallelujah, but I don't really think they have good sales, and I don't know, they're just a bit pricey for me. I'm cheap, so, you know, like I was saying, I did buy 2 pairs of pants or 3. Like back in the days when I gained a lot of weight, I was like around size 7 and 10. And jeans, I went on Fashion Nova because I feel like that's where people usually shop for jeans, and especially like good material jeans. I was working, so I needed something to last. And yeah, I have to say I vouch for their jeans. Their jeans are really good. I love that they're stretchy. I love the quality of them. I love that they last. I still have those jeans in my closet, even though they don't fit me anymore. I'm not a size 7 or 10 anymore. But if anyone's a size 7 or 10 and needs jeans, you know, let me know and I'll send them to you. I feel like, you know, they're quality. So I was a bit skeptical. I was a bit afraid of ordering like jackets from them, and I'm okay so far with the leather one, pero te voy a enseñar el otro, and the other one you're gonna be like, what the hell? The price I got it, you know, it's okay. So before I end up making this video 30 minutes long for no reason, I'm gonna show you the other one, and it's this one right here. And I don't know if you remember that Cardi B launched the second round of her line. She had like this red, like this material. I don't know what this material is, but it's not leather. It's like that, like, que carajo, I don't know. I don't remember the material of this. Anyways, so Cardi B, this red set that I freaking wanted. And maybe it was the first one because it was around Christmas time. Anyways, so it was like a red like jacket like this almost with the red pants. And oh my god, I fell in love with it. But it was too freaking expensive. I was like, dude, I can't do this right now. I am not working. And you know, we got bills to pay. Anyways, so I fell in love with that and it stayed on my mind. So when I went on the website and I saw the jackets, I came across this one, and it's almost like the jacket, the red one that Cardi B launched, but of course it isn't because this thing is una porqueria. This is from 36.5 and it's small, but look at the material. It's like, this is not a jacket for fall or winter. You're gonna freeze your ass if you wear this. So don't even buy it. If you're gonna take photos or whatever, go and purchase it because it's probably still $15. So yeah, this one cost me $15. So I was like, you know what? Let's give it a chance. If it's una mierda, it's only $15, and I do need it for my fashion post, and it is gonna look cute with some nice boots and, you know, some nice pants. So that's why I got it. No, it's a cheapy choppy. I mean, it has pockets. Yeah. This is not gonna keep me warm. It doesn't even have buttons. It only ties. Like, you know, it wraps around. Like, I could use this for a Halloween costume in the future. Who has a blue jacket that I can wear? Maybe I can be that. What's that called? I forgot her name. That blue thingy from Marvel. Se me olvidó el nombre de ella. But maybe I could be her one Halloween. I liked it. The way it looked and the way they had it. You know, I think the girl had some black boots with some black jeans. Just the way I would wear it in my head, mentally up here. You know, so, you know, to take a photo with it, I guess I will take a picture with it, but to wear it out, I'm gonna freeze my ass. I'm not wearing this. Like, maybe when we get closer, like in springtime, when we're almost into summer, one day I can wear this, because this doesn't, I don't think I'm gonna be even hot in this. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still cute, you know. The next one and final jacket that I will be showing you is another blue one. But I've been wearing this one a lot, and I really, really appreciate it. And for the price, I only got this one for $15 as well. And I've been really, really liking this one. So this is like a, what's that called? You know, back in the days when your mom used to dress you up in those pants with those jackets, that material, that quickie material. I can't think of that material. Coño, ¿cómo se llama? Like, if I think of it while we're talking or while I'm talking, then I'll bring it up. But anyways, yeah, it's that kind of like rain jacket material, and I really like it. I like that and this one is by fashionable. So I really like that it has this thing right here to tighten. It has a hoodie. Really appreciate that, because when it's raining, you need your hoodie. When it's snowing, you need a hoodie. And it's super long. It covers me completely down to the knees. I really appreciate that. You can tie it up here. It has a zipper. It has pockets. I got some candy in my pocket. Damn. I wore this for trick-or-treating. It has the pockets. And in the back, it looks cute. ¿Dónde está el back, coño? In the back, it's cute. It's nice and long. You know, it covers. So I really appreciate this jacket for $15. It has a double layer here. So you won't, you know, you're getting that warmth from this jacket, which I appreciate as well. It doesn't look like it's warm, but it's pretty warm, because I've been wearing this to take my daughter to the bus. And dude, it is freezing up here, and this is like keeping me warm. So yeah. Oh, I had a camel print jacket, which was thicker than this one, and it cost $25 from Forever 21. And I don't know where the freak it is. I just lose things all the time. Like, I think it's with those boots that I lost, that I spoke to you guys about before, my black boots. I think it's with that. So I don't know where this jacket is. I really appreciated that jacket. It was the same way, the same length, with the hoodie that you tighten and all that, but it was a heavier material. It wasn't like this rain jacket material. It was like, you know, cotton or whatever material it was. It was heavy duty. So I don't know what happened to it. It's gone. So that's why I was like, I need another camel jacket, because like I said, I like to dress up in different jackets, different prints and things like that. So having a few jackets, like a, you know, a leather jacket, having a jean jacket, having a camel jacket, having a pink jacket, having a green jacket, whatever it is, I just like to have multiple things that I can work with. I don't know where that jacket is, and that's why I got this one, and then I got it for $15, which I found so amazing. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you my 3 new jackets from Fashion Nova. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you next time.